Welcome to break 3131 for the 2020 Hit Parade Baseball Limited Edition card box. We want to thank everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Let's go ahead and check out the current date and time according to eBay. It's Thursday, August 27, 2020. It's 10:17 p.m. Eastern Time, 9:17 p.m. Central Time, and 7:17 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break, we have Kyle still 1 spot, E-Rock 2, MVB 2, Emoy 6, Midmo 4, Sport Card 2. We have William 2, Set Blackwell 1, Ali 5, Michael 2, BMR with 1, and Robert Man with 2 spots. So let's randomize everyone 7 times to determine our teams for the break. Kyle still's on top, Robert Man on the bottom once, twice, 3 times, 4, 5, 6, and lucky number 7 has Emoy on top and on the bottom. Alright, so let's see who has what. Emoy with the Diamondbacks, Ali Braves, Robert Man Orioles, BMR with the Red Sox, Emoy Cubs, William with the White Sox, Michael with the Reds, Ali Indians, Rockies Tigers, Midmo Astros, Ali Royals, Midmo with the Angels, E-Rock with the Dodgers, Midmo Marlins, William Brewers, Emoy with the Twins Mets, MVB with the Yankees, Midmo Athletics, Kyle Stuff Phillies, Emoy Pirates, Robert Man Padres, Set Blackwell Giants, Michael with the Mariners, E-Rock Cardinals, Sport Card Rays, MVB with the Rangers, Sport Card Blue Jays, and last but not least, Emoy with the Washington Nationals. I'll seal it up. Whichever team is on the card, that's where the card will go. Seal on top and bottom. Empty, empty. Alright, who do we have here? George Springer, 1/1, game used memorabilia auto. Congrats to whoever has the Houston Astros. Auto right there, game used jersey right there, 1/1 right there. It's a nice way to start the night off here. George Springer, jersey auto, 1/1 for Houston. Okay, Houston Astros, where are you at? Midmo 77. Congrats on break 3131 in the 2020 Hit Parade Baseball Limited Edition card box. We want to thank everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button right next to your right thumb. You'll find us on eBay and on social media at P2J SPORTSCARDS. We hope to see you all very soon. Stick around for the bonus break spot. And then we're on to break 3157 for the 2019-20 Leaf Hockey Superlative Hockey Collection. Thanks!